Welcome back to Tecnologia's video. In this video, I am going to show you how you can add music of your video. The first thing we're going to do is recommend you can see the video how to bind two videos from Tecnologias. Okay, go to InShot application of video and go to news. In news, we can see, for example, this video, and you can add music from this portal, or go to my music. You have music in your archives. For example, I press this and use. Okay, the use is added to find to video, and you can exit the mark of water and export in the anyway format, initializing, and it's very quick and easy, guys. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more content.